you need to market the candidate. What is marketing? Can you tell me? Find out a job for the, when I say candidate, it's all about consultant. Okay, don't think candidate and consultant are different. A consultant.
Yes.
Find out the job for the consultant, right? Okay, for that we need to prepare an email, correct? We need to prepare email and we need to send that one, correct or not?
Yes.
Send that to the client. Okay, so this discussion is about how to prepare email. You understood?
Yes.
Okay, fine. Now this is a Word document, right? I need to send email to the client, right? So what I'm doing, okay, email to client, right? Here I will be putting client email ID. Say, so assume that you are in Gmail, right? Company's Gmail account, or you are in Outlook, right? In that situation, you open that client, okay, and copy to consultant.sales@learninghiring.com. Okay, this is a group email ID. Fine. That means lot of members, right? Several members will be there in this group email ID. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Understood, Aran? Can you explain what is group email?
Sir, group email means several members, means in the group, like at a time we'll send many people, like in the email CC or PCC is there. No, not like
So
that. Adding, yeah.
see, like in this bench sales, right, recruiter department, 5 people would be working as bench sales recruiters, correct? I do a
Yes, sir.
submission to Walmart, right? The other 4 bench sales recruiters may be also submitting that resume to Walmart, right? So the Walmart recruiter will get confused. Why I'm getting 5 resumes from 5 recruiters from the same company? Understood?
Yes.
So what I would do, I'll say here two, let us say sam@walmart.com, fine, and I'll copy this one and then copy this email ID. I'm going to copy this one, right, consultant.sales, and send email to sam@walmart.com and copy this one. All of my bench sales recruiters will be knowing that Anthony has submitted this resume to Walmart. Understood?
Yes. Yeah.
Subject name, right? Assume that you are the consultant now, right? So subject of the email, what I would do, okay, Pavan, fine, Pavan, okay, requirement, fine, let us say senior Oracle apps, project accounting, correct? Location, let us say Chicago, fine, IL, fine, client name, correct? Walmart, and there may be some requirement number, correct? Let us say
Yes.
something like this, right? So when you write your subject, right, the subject of the email, the Walmart recruiter, Sam, would be able to understand that the recruiter is submitting a consultant for this requirement, which is in this location for this client and with this requirement ID. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So I'm not going to go into detail, fine? This is just an information to you. Title, fine? This one is a title. Yesterday, like we prepared a template, right? Oh, I left that one. We also understood how to prepare the template, correct? How to prepare the template. That's what we did yesterday. Do you remember that one?
Uh, Resume template, no, sir.
Yeah. So we prepared that resume template, right? Yesterday, right?
Yes,
So
sir.
similarly,
Yes.
when you want to submit officially, okay, this is the format you need to go with. Okay, this is the basic information as I explained to you. On top of it, you can add more information based upon the requirement. So this requirement is a little bit different. and it is focusing on Oracle Labs, right? See this one,
Yes.
visa status H1B, current location availability Atlanta. It would take 2 weeks for the person to join after the confirmation from Walmart. Then IT experience is 9 years. USA experience, correct? It is 1 year. And Oracle Labs experience is 7. Yes. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Lead experience, correct? In Oracle Labs, 5 years. Project management experience, okay, it is 2 years. Then this person is a functional consultant. They have written that as 80% is a functional consultant. I'll be explaining these details to you in the next class, okay? Technical,
Yes.
20%. Fine, so functional, this person is 80% and this 20%, correct? Any question on this?
No, sir.
Then, right, ranking in the modules. Okay, so this requirement is all about project accounting. So this recurrent project accounting consists of these skills: project costing, 9 by 10, project billing, 9 by 10, project resource management, 7 by 10, project management and collaboration, 7 by 10. Okay, this is the key requirement here, key skill here, and all of those things are furnished here. Understood?
Sir, this means ranking. Who will provide, sir? Like technical interview person will give it to me, or I need to rank.
Technical person, from your evaluation, first of all, you will be ranking that one. And after that, what would happen? It will go to the technical panel. They will give some kind of rating, correct? But when you submit to the client, you will not mention the actual rating, right? If your technical panel has evaluated 6, then you should not say 6 there, correct?
Okay. Yes.
You should say 8 to the client. Then only they will get attracted. If you say 6, right, then they will consider that, okay, this consultant is not having good opportunities. Understood?
Yes, sir.
So 8
Yes.
and above adds value. That is for your internal purpose, correct? Whatever was
Yes.
evaluated by your technical panel and whatever you ranked, right? Those are all internal things, not external things. So when you present your resume to the client, should be appealing.
Yes, sir.
So here exposure to modules, right? AP, AR. If you remember, learnerin.com is a company which is focused in Oracle ERP, right? And it is also dealing with other emerging technologies like SAP. Understood, Pavan?
Yes, sir.
Okay, total number of projects work 15. Number of full life cycle implementations, right? On Oracle Labs, it is 3. Okay, read this one. Client project names with full life cycle implementation. Project title, correct? So yes, implement for Oracle India, location Sydney, project title, Oracle Application Project Resource Management, global location California, US, project title, Oracle 11 projects. So you get this information from the CAC consultant itself, correct? When you are a main sales recruiter, you get all of these details. I'll explain these things to all of you. Communication skills, excellent. Rate, you are quoting $115 all inclusive on C2C. I'll cover the C2C later. Fine. And email ID of the consultant ABC, right at yahoo.com, and contact number to reach the person. When you prepare this template and when you keep it handy for all the consultants, it would be easy for you to just submit the resume along with this information.
Yes. So that contact number will be our contact number, or consultant contact number.
It depends,
Email.
right? You can give your when you're a bench sales recruiter, you can give your contact number so that the clients may not disturb your candidate, right? After
Yes, sir.
confirming everything, rate, requirement, etc., you can share the consultant number. Understood?
Yes. Yes, sir.